PDFs can be convenient, but when they are not authored with accessibility in mind, they often create barriers for people with disabilities. Let's look at an example PDF with structural problems. In this document, headings are visually bold, but they are not properly tagged. Plus, the reading order in the PDF does not match what you see on the page. Let's listen to this PDF in VoiceOver on a Mac.
Activities for people new to town. Welcome. Activities schedule. You moving to a new town can. Here are some ideas to help you get started.
Notice it did not announce the headings. Also, the reading order doesn't match the page layout. Instead of reading the left column first, the content jumps unpredictably, making it hard to follow. For screen reader users, keyboard-only users, and people with cognitive disabilities, this lack of structure makes the PDF confusing, disorienting, and easy to abandon. In contrast, here's an example of an accessible PDF with proper tags for headings and the correct reading order. Let's listen to a properly tagged PDF read with VoiceOver on a Mac.
In page 1, containing heading level 1, activities for people new to town. Heading level 2, welcome, moving to a new town. Here are some ideas to heading level 2.
Notice how the headings were announced and the reading order matched the columns of the document. With proper structure, more users can navigate and understand the content. Now that you understand how inaccessible PDFs affect users with disabilities, think about accessibility the next time you share a PDF. Remember to subscribe for more accessibility videos.